Inside each of us, there's a fundamental desire to be creative and a unique need to use our hands. When we reflected on those needs, we recognized that there's an inherent relaxation that comes from these activities. It's exciting to bring something to life, something you have personally made. Earlier this year, we set out to create a new type of LEGO experience, and we wanted to apply those same fundamentals. We wanted to bring something to life, but infuse creativity and customization into the experience. That's how LEGO FORMA was born, and we're excited to debut it for you right here on Indiegogo. LEGO FORMA is a premium LEGO experience that was designed for adults. It's made with sturdy rods and parts and combined with customizable skins that comes in different colors, patterns and shapes. It's designed to be a relaxing creative challenge. It takes a couple of hours to complete one fully customized project.
When we were designing the product, we spent a lot of time observing nature. We watched the movements of living creatures and took notes on their colors and their patterns, but also looked at how we could take that creativity even further. Not only did we want to harness the beauty that these creatures innately have, we also focused on adding a sense of realism to each skin through intricate and lifelike movement without losing the creativity. LEGO FORMA provides the perfect creative outlet while you unwind and relax. It gives you that me time, but also a thoughtful creative challenge. You can build it alone or with a friend. When you're done, it's something you'll be proud to show off in your home.
We're really excited. LEGO FORMA could be the beginning of a new nature experience for the LEGO group. We're starting with the koi fish and 3 different skins, the shark skin, the splash koi skin, and the ink koi skin. Let's see where that will take us. With LEGO FORMA, we wanted to give adults the ability to disconnect and tap into the fundamental pleasures of using your hands and imagination to build something beautiful. Join us and add a splash of creativity to your day.